Every way to make money online with zero skills. Selling used items. Selling used items involves listing pre-owned goods for sale on online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. This process allows you to turn unwanted items into cash. To start, identify items you no longer need, such as electronics, clothing, furniture, or collectibles. Next, create compelling listings with clear photos and detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Price items competitively by researching similar listings. Promote your items through social media or local groups to increase visibility. Once sold, coordinate delivery or shipping with the buyer. Selling used items not only declutters your space, but also provides a steady stream of extra income. Paid surveys. Paid surveys involve giving your opinions on various products and services in exchange for compensation. Companies value consumer feedback to improve their offerings. To make money from paid surveys, sign up on reputable survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Complete your profile accurately to receive relevant surveys. Each survey pays a small amount, and earnings can be cashed out via PayPal, gift cards, or other rewards. While not a full-time income, it's an easy way to earn extra cash. Voice over work. Do you have a unique voice? Turn it into a profitable career with voice over work. From YouTube videos to commercials to audiobooks, your voice can become a valuable asset in your money-making journey. Learn how to set up your recording studio with just your phone and a cheap microphone. Audition for gigs and deliver top-notch performances that clients love. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can secure high-paying projects and build a successful voiceover business. So, get ready to make your voice heard and your wallet swell. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides remote administrative support to businesses or individuals. Tasks include managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, and social media management. To make money as a VA, start by identifying your skills and creating a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Network through LinkedIn and pitch your services to potential clients. Offer competitive rates initially, gather testimonials, and build a portfolio. With dedication and effective marketing, you can secure long-term clients and earn a steady income. Product testing. A product tester evaluates new products and provides feedback to companies before they hit the market. This involves using items such as gadgets, cosmetics, or household products, and sharing your honest opinions on their functionality, design, and overall experience. Companies rely on your feedback to improve their offerings. You can make money from product testing by signing up with reputable testing platforms, participating in focus groups, and receiving free products plus compensation for your reviews. Start testing and earning today. Customer service. Online customer service involves assisting customers via email, chat, or social media, addressing their inquiries and resolving issues. You can make money from it by working remotely for companies that need customer support agents. Strong communication skills and a customer-focused approach are essential. Many businesses, especially e-commerce and tech companies, hire remote customer service representatives. Look for job postings on platforms like Upwork, Indeed, or specialized customer service job boards to start earning from home. Tutoring. Online tutoring involves teaching academic subjects or specialized skills to students. Platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com connect tutors with students worldwide. To make money, you can sign up on these platforms, set your rates, and schedule sessions based on your availability. Create engaging lesson plans, use interactive tools, and provide personalized instruction to help students succeed. With the growing demand for online education, tutoring offers a flexible and rewarding way to earn money from home. Flipping websites / domains. Flipping websites and domains involves buying undervalued digital properties, improving their value, and selling them for a profit. For websites, this could mean enhancing content, design, or traffic to attract buyers willing to pay more. Domains are bought and sold based on their appeal, relevance, and potential resale value. To succeed, research trends, identify lucrative opportunities, and negotiate deals effectively. By understanding market demand and leveraging strategic improvements, you can capitalize on this dynamic market to earn substantial profits from buying and selling websites and domains. Hop on GoDaddy and start flipping today and watch your profits soar. Blogging. Blogging involves creating and sharing informative or entertaining content on a specific topic through a blog platform. To make money from blogging, you can monetize your blog through several avenues. Firstly, integrate display advertising like Google AdSense. Secondly, engage in affiliate marketing by promoting products, services, and earning commissions on sales. Thirdly, offer sponsored posts where companies pay for content promotion. Lastly, sell digital or physical products directly to your audience. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are key to successful monetization in blogging. E-commerce store. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services online. As an e-commerce entrepreneur, you can make money by setting up an online store through platforms like Shopify or Amazon. Start by identifying a niche market or product, sourcing suppliers, and creating compelling product listings. Drive traffic to your store through digital marketing strategies like SEO, social media, and email campaigns. By providing excellent customer service and optimizing your sales funnel, you can generate revenue through product sales and potentially scale your business globally. Print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is a business model where you design and sell custom merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more, without holding inventory. Here's how it works. You create unique designs, upload them to POD platforms like Printful or Teespring, and when a customer places an order, the item is printed and shipped directly to them. You earn a profit margin on each sale, minus the production and platform fees. With minimal upfront costs and the ability to showcase your creativity, POD offers a low-risk way to make money from your artistic talents. Writing and selling ebooks. Writing and selling ebooks is a lucrative way to monetize your writing skills and expertise. By creating digital books on platforms like Amazon Kindle, you can reach a global audience eager for knowledge and entertainment. Choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's fiction, self-help, or technical guides. Write compelling content, design an eye-catching cover, and market your ebook effectively to attract readers. With each sale, you earn royalties, and as your library grows, so does your passive income potential. Start writing ebooks today and turn your ideas into profit. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item directly from a supplier who then ships it to the customer. Your role is to manage the online store, market products, and handle customer service. The key to making money with dropshipping lies in choosing profitable products, optimizing marketing strategies, and providing excellent customer experience. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo simplify the process, allowing you to focus on scaling your business and maximizing profits. Freelance writing. With ChatGPT, turn your words into cash with freelance writing. Whether you're crafting compelling blog posts, persuasive copy, or informative articles, there's a high demand for quality content. Learn how to find clients, set your rates, and deliver outstanding work that keeps them coming back. Freelance writing offers flexibility, creativity, and the potential for high earnings. Ready to turn your writing passion into a profitable career? Jump onto Fiverr and Upwork to get started teaching languages. Are you passionate about languages? Turn it into a profitable venture by teaching online. Platforms like Italki and Duolingo connect you with students eager to learn. Learn how to structure lessons, engage students, and create an immersive learning experience. Whether you're teaching English, Spanish, or any other language, this is a rewarding way to earn money and share your linguistic skills. Transcription services. Transcription services involve converting spoken words from audio or video recordings into written text. This can include transcribing interviews, meetings, lectures, podcasts, and more. To make money from transcription services, you need strong listening and typing skills, attention to detail, and good grammar. Start by finding transcription jobs on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized transcription sites such as Rev or TranscribeMe. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates. Some transcriptionists also specialize in specific fields like medical or legal transcription, which can command higher pay. With dedication, transcription can become a reliable source of income from home.